I remembered the olden days. My father, brother, uncle, తెలుగులో పెద్దనాన్న అంటాం. At my childhood, మా పెద్దనాన్న రేదురుగా కొంచెం కొంచెం షాప్ దాకా వెళ్ళిరారా అనేవాడు. ఏ జాబ్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చేదంటే హీ విల్ గివ్ వన్ గ్లాస్, ఏ స్మాల్ గ్లాస్, అరే హోటల్కి వెళ్ళి టీ పోపించుకురారా అనేవాడు. అరే హోటల్కి వెళ్ళి ఓ టీ టీ పోపించుకొని రా అని చెప్పాడు. అప్పుడు టీ ఎంత, 1 రూపీ ఎంత. Just can you go to the hotel and bring one tea in this glass, like this is the activity my uncle is going to give. Then I'm always, he's always, అరే నీకు 10 పైసలు ఇస్తాలే కొనుక్కోవటానికి అని. హౌ మచ్? I will give 10 paisa. I will give 10 paisa, 10 paisa. Okay, you can buy anything on your own. Like my father's brother is asking me at my childhood. Then with that 10 paisa, I will take my required favorite thing and I will provide the tea for my uncle. Okay, like now we went to my native place. Now my kids are asking, Dad, can you please give 500 rupees? Can you please give 200 rupees? Can you please give 50 rupees? We have to go there. We require to take some chocolate or otherwise so on item is there. We require to take. Here, generation got changed. Instead of me, instead of 10 paisa, okay, my in my place my kids are there. But maybe instead of 10 paisa, maybe 50 rupees or something like they will go there. Kinder Jaya or something like they are going to buy. They will go there. They will buy. Shop is the same, person is the same. Shop is the same, person is the same. Where is the growth? Where is the scalability? Because that shop is running by person, not running by systems, not running by processes. That is the biggest problem. I hope everyone in the position to understand.